Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about WordPress login and WordPress dashboard. What is the dashboard and how we are going to look at a default WordPress builder dashboard. Let's see. While installation, we have a user, the credentials of a username and password. We have to hit here. Something so-called very simple username and password you try to place here. Why? Because many times you want to log in here for an development environment. Okay, and let's check it here. Then option click login. Now see here, you will see in a wonders the ready-made things you are look here very simply. Wow, we are at dashboard of our WordPress website. Simply you see the left pane, it will be called so-called tools like a post, media, pages, comments, and appearance to applying the themes and customization, widgets, menus, all the things you will see here. And the plugins, if you want to install and add the plugins, you can find out here and you will add the plugins. And the users, who are the users you as an admin you are logged in now. If you want to make more users to log in as a users and admin, you can create here. And the tools and the settings of the settings means general, writing, reading, discussions, all will be here. And the collapse menu. If you want to make it as a collapse, like a making collapsing and expanding, you can do it. This is all about your website of WordPress. And the dashboard will have an see the customize your site. If you click this button, you can make the changes right immediately and write your first blog post and add about page, setting up your home page, view your site, how it would be looks like in a page, like manage widgets, manage menus, turn off or comments, and more getting started. All the things available at the WordPress single page itself. Now see, if I click view your site, see how it is going to be displaying. See here, this is the welcome page you will see here. This is unconstructed, means we have installed right now itself, and this is how it is. If you want to make all the changes and applying all the things, by default it is coming here. And you want to customize all the things. Like if you want to change, it is looking like outside how the WordPress is displaying your page. And if you want to customize, just click the customize. Then you will be back to like admin area. Then you will be do the things how and what to do with this particular page. See, this is automatically everywhere the pen symbol will be displayed. There itself you can write the text and all. This is the menu items are displaying, and the menu items you can change the custom changes. Close the menu. This is the site. See how it is. Wherever you want to change, there you can the pen symbol will be available. There you can directly apply the changes and add the things of your wish. About this page, find the page and addresses, everything you can change. The copyrights powered by WordPress, everything. This is the active theme. It is in a 2020 theme. If you want change, you can change the theme as well. All right, go back and go back to our previous and let's check here with see. And you will be find out like a tutorial and you want to go to that admin area. Just you simply go back to admin area of dashboard. Once you logged in as an administrator user, then only you will see all these things. Otherwise, you will be like a find out like a user privileges and user viewport only will be displayed here. All right, we'll jump start to see our next lecture to creating something else. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.